Welcome and thank you so much for joining me. So we are looking at solving quadratic equations using the null factor law. Now, just remember what we did with linear equations. To find the y and x intercept, I'm going to show you. So we're trying to find the x-intercept at the moment. To find the x-intercept, because this is the x, we need y to be 0. So we've already made it y 0. But that means, as a balancing beam, we need to make this side here to equal 0 to find our x-intercepts. So to do that, if we're timesing by 0, what's 1 times 0? 0. 2 times 0 is 0. So when we've got two brackets together, that means times. So we need to make each of our sides at one point a 0. So I'll look at this side first. X plus 6. I need to if I make that side 0, then 0 times anything will be 0. So I would like x plus 6 to equal 0. And then I also need this side here to equal 0. So x take 2 to equal 0. Now to do that, I need to think about this side here. To get x by itself, I've got plus 6. What's the opposite of plus 6? Minus 6. So if I minus 6 on this side, I minus 6 on this side. So 6 take away 6 is 0, so it's just x equals minus 6. Same on this side, I want to get negative 2 away, so the opposite of that is plus. So I plus 2 on both sides. These two cancel out and just leaves me with x equals 2. Now that shows me that my x-intercepts is 2 and negative 6. So my intercepts is 2 and negative 6. And that is what that tells me. Let's have a look at this side over here. X, then in brackets, x take 4 equals 0. So again, we want y to be 0, which is y to 0 on that side. And then on this side here, we've got two parts. You'll see that x is timesing with the bracket. So if x is 0, then this 0 times this will be 0. So straight away I know that one of the intercepts is x equals 0. The other intercept, I look at x take 4 equals 0 because I want that other side to be equal to 0 as well. And then I look at negative 4, what's opposite of negative 4? Because I want to get x by itself, plus 4. So plus 4 on both sides. Negative 4 plus 4 is 0, so it's just x equals 4. And there you have it, I have my two x-intercepts, 0 and 4. Really hope that helps you understand the null factor law with solving quadratic equations.